Hello, amazing wizards, and welcome back to QA_AI_wizards. I'm your host, Jonay, and this is my super smart helper, Vbot. Today, we have a magical adventure into the world of computer helpers. You know that feeling, right? You're ready to play your favorite game, but there was an update, and now the buttons are in a different spot, and nothing works. Ugh, it's so frustrating. Well, in the old way, when things moved, the computer would get totally confused and just break. Sad computer. But today, we're going to learn about a new magical way where the computer is so smart, it just works. It finds the button no matter where it moves. Happy computer. To understand this magic, let's think about cars. The first old way of telling computers what to do is called Selenium. It's like driving a manual car. You have to push the pedals, steer the wheel, change the gears. You have to do everything yourself. Whew, that sounds like a lot of work. Then, things got a little better with tools like Playwright. This is kind of like using cruise control in a car. It helps with the speed, which is nice, but you still have to do all the steering and pay close attention. It helps a little, but you're still doing most of the driving. But now, get ready for the magic way with Vibium. Vibium is like a self-driving car. Wow! You just sit back, relax, and tell it, hey, take me to the toy store, and it figures out all the turns and all the roads all by itself. You just tell it where to go. Okay, let's watch this in action. Vbot here has a favorite game, but oh no, after an update, the big green launch button keeps moving to different places on the screen. How will the computer ever find it? With the old way, the computer looks in the one spot it was told to look, and nope, the button's not there. Test fails. But with the Vibium way, it doesn't just look in one spot. It understands what a launch button is, finds it, and clicks it. Hooray! This is called self-healing. Let's say our first memory lock phrase. Ready? If things move, it's no big deal. Vibium knows how to self-heal. Let's say it again. If things move, it's no big deal. Vibium knows how to self-heal. Awesome. So how do you tell this self-driving car what to do? You just talk to it in plain English. You can say things like open Chrome, go to a website, log in with your name. It's that easy. This brings us to our next memory lock. Ready? Don't be shy, just give it a try. Talk in English and watch it fly. One more time. Don't be shy, just give it a try. Talk in English and watch it fly. You guys are amazing. Now, every magic power has some rules. The do's are easy. Do talk in normal English, and do let Vibium do the hard work of finding things for you. And the don'ts, don't write that complicated old code, and don't make things messy by telling it exactly where to look. Just tell it what to find. Okay, are you ready for a pop quiz? Let's see what you've learned. Vbot is so excited. Question 1. What is Vibium most like? Is it A, a manual car, B, a bicycle, or C, a self-driving car? And the answer is C, a self-driving car. You got it. Woohoo! Okay, next question. What kind of magic words does Vibium understand? Is it A, spells from a wizard book, B, plain English, or C, secret computer code? The answer is B, plain English. You are all so smart. Amazing! Here's a super trick to remember what makes Vibium so special. We can use the letters in its name. V is for voice commands, I is for intelligent finding, B is for browser helper, I is for integrated with AI, U is for ultra easy, and M is for magic powered. Vibium. So let's review the 3 most important super things to remember from today. Number 1, Vibium is like a self-driving car for computers. Number 2, it understands your plain English words. And number 3, it magically fixes itself if something changes. And now it's time for a super cool fact. Get this. The same person who invented the old, hard manual car way also invented this new, easy, self-driving car way. Isn't that incredible? They knew there had to be a better way, and they invented it. And that leads to my final big question for you. If you had a magic helper like Vibium that could do anything on the computer for you just by you telling it what to do, what amazing thing would you have it do? Wow, what an amazing journey. You all did such a great job learning today, which really helps build your focus and improve your thinking. Thank you for joining us on QA_AI_wizards for another fantastic learning adventure. We can't wait to see you for the next one. Bye-bye, wizards.